name's Alexis and today we're doing the September look in the Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda palette. So September says, Paris is better than sex. Alright. When in Paris, roam the city of lights with the makeup you love so you can create long lashing, it says lashing, long lashing romantic memories. And selfies too. Alright. I don't think I would wear this look to Paris, but I mean, I guess I see what you're going for. Long lashing. I hate that so much. But anyways, if you want to see how I did this look following these instructions, then keep on watching. Okay, base done, brows done, eyes primed, we can move on to the fun stuff. The first step is to apply Snow Day from crease to brow bone. So Snow Day is this white color. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say. Well, put it here, basically. Cool beans. Steps 2 and 3 I'm going to switch because I don't know why they want you to put your lid color on before you put your like outer corner crease color, but maybe that's just me. So I'm going to do step 3 first, which is smoke Give Me S'more, like some more, but it's s'more, into outer corner and blend up into crease. Okay, Give Me S'more is this one, which I don't think we've ever used yet. Like a dark gray. No, like a, I don't know, a gray brown with some shimmer in it. We'll see how the shimmer applies. So out here, and it doesn't say through the crease, it just says blend into crease, so I'm just gonna put like a little bit out here, I guess. Sure. Okay, so I've done that. So then going back to step 2, which is press Plum Pudding onto lid and blend into crease, which I don't, why do you want me to do that? I don't understand. And then also, like, in the little picture, like, it's literally just, like, this should be the one in the crease, you know what I mean? And then this lid color, yeah, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Anyways, Plum Pudding, which is this color here. Reddy, purple, shimmery. I'm just going to kind of press that all here, I guess. Pretty color. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I like this color. Blend these two together. Blend all these edges in the crease. I mean, sure, I guess. Okay, that's that. The next step is line lash line with black tie. I'm so tired of lining my lash line with black tie. I'm so tired. That's just the black shade. I'm not even gonna like show it to you because I feel like the last like 4 or 5 month tutorials have wanted me to do this, and I hate this black and I hate lining my lash line with it. I'm gonna like barely do it. Sure. And then that's it. That's literally it for the eyeshadow steps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, what was this called? Give Me S'more, and put that on my lower lash line. All the way across. And I'm going to take Snow Day again and just highlight the inner corner a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to finish off by putting black, where is it? Black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'll be right back. So here are the eyes done. It's not awful. I really like this, like, it looks really red on camera. I guess it is more red than it is purple. Like, so I like it. It turned out better, but I wish I wish instead of lining with black tie, it said to just put it in the outer like corner or like the outer V a little bit. Because like this is such a pretty like impactful shade that I want this to be a little bit darker. You know what I mean? Like it's still pretty, but it could be better, which I feel like I say about every look now. But let's finish off the face. The next step in the book is blush. So I am going to contour and put bronzer on using my Kevyn Aucoin powder, just to give myself a little bit of cheekbone. I'm gonna bronze with Chocolate Soleil. I saw a picture on Trend Mood, like a sneak peek of the holiday palette that's gonna come out for Too Faced, and it has a bronzer in there, and it's not Chocolate Soleil. They finally figured it out. Thanks, Jared. It took you long enough. Okay, next step. Blend Will You Marry Me onto cheeks and blend upwards. So that is the blush. Just popping this on my cheeks. Hi, Mummy. Coming out from your cave? And then the last step is highlight down the nose, Cupid's bow, and cheekbones with #blessed. So that is the highlighter. Cheekbone. I'm going to do that C shape that I like. Down my nose. And I'm going to pile it onto the Cupid's bow. The light from my mirror. Again, nothing for lip. And again, she's wearing this peachy nude. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put on Honeycomb from Bite. So here's the finished September look. I almost said August. September look from the Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda. I like it. But it could be better. I'm tired of saying that. Come on, Too Faced. But anyways, I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye!